Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Mitch and today we are going to talk about 5 things that I hate / dislike about the Fiesta ST Mark 7.5. So, as many videos have been done before on this, I'm having my own little take on it in terms of what I've found out, almost while some of them will be kind of mod related. So obviously if you're going down the whole modification route for this car, some of my dislikes will be pushed towards that area. Some of my other dislikes will just be a stock car, because generally this car is fantastic. In terms of the core car, i.e. the driver experience, you know, the steering, the power, everything about it, the chassis is perfect. But anyway, on to the 5 things I don't like about the car. So number 1, and this is a little bit unfair of me because of how old this Mark of Fiesta is, but the actual interior as a whole, I'm not a big fan. It's basic, it's boring. The seats, although they're comfy and the heated seats are like something built in NASA in terms of how quickly they heat up, it's insane. The grey seats themselves, they just pick up dirt like mental. I work quite a dirty job anyway, so obviously that doesn't help. But yeah, they get dirty easily. The actual interior as a whole, including the sync system and everything, it's just boring. You've got random bits of gloss plastic and then random bits of matte plastic, which doesn't make sense to me. It's just overall, I guess dated is the right word for it, but once again, benefit of the doubt, it is an old, you know, Mark of Fiesta now. Obviously the Mark 8's out and looks a little bit more up to date. Anyway, on to number 2. Number 2 is a standard thing that I'm sure everyone else has said, but I'm going to say it as well because it happened to me. It caused me great pain trying to dismantle my whole centre console to find something down it. It's the handbrake hole of doom. So, I have now filled my hole, so I've successfully sorted that problem. If you want to fill your hole, this isn't sponsored or anything, but just head over to DC 3D Design. I'll link it down below, but it fills your hole beautifully, covers every little inch, and hopefully you'll never fall or have anything fall down that hole ever again. Great, traffic. Anyway, so that's number 2. Number 3, turbo location. Now the reason I say that, in terms of the turbo itself, it's cool. It's fast, it spools up quickly, it's kind of, I'd say almost instant. Obviously no turbo's instant, but it feels instant in terms of just normal driving. But the turbo location, in my opinion, is stupid. I'm sure there's smarter places to put a turbo. I'm sure there's easier places to put a turbo. However, they've put it right at the back and almost under the chassis itself. So when I came to installing my Turbo Smart, oh, this is unreal. When I came to installing my Turbo Smart blow-off valve, it was an absolute pain to reach into. It's just such an awkward angle, it's in an awkward place, and if I'm ever thinking of going to a hybrid turbo, which I don't think I am, but you know, who knows what's going to happen in the future, I feel sorry for either the people that are installing it, because I am not installing that myself, and I'm sorry, and I know I've told you that I've basically done everything myself so far other than the exhaust, which was just because a ramp's easier. Yeah, I'm not installing a turbo by myself on my driveway. It's in a stupid place. It'll be so hard to do. I'm not bothering. It's not worth the hassle. So anyway, turbo location is my 3rd one. Okay, number 4. I think we're on to 4. Number 4. The paint. So the paint itself is shit. I like the colour. I like the fact that I've got a frozen white car. I like the fact that you can get a slightly deep shine to it. Obviously nowhere near as deep as kind of other colours, because obviously they hold light a bit better, or reflect light I should probably say. But yeah, I like the frozen white. I don't like the actual quality of the paint. And what I mean by that is stone chips are hell. If you look at the front of my car now, it is ruined. The bumper's ruined, the bonnet's ruined, and the funny thing is, the thing that's lasted the most, in my opinion, in terms of damage and stuff, two things. The splitter, the TRC splitter that I've put on, it's taken speed humps, it's taken my work car park, which is just a gravel trap of doom. It's taken everything. Also, the plastics that I painted, which you can see a video around somewhere, the plastics that I painted are amazing. They haven't been damaged at all, and they're in my fog lights. So I don't know how you can design paint that's so soft to the point where it chips like a crazy amount. It's just crazy in terms of the amount of stone chips like up my bonnet. And you know, for someone that likes to take care of their car, likes to detail their car, and you know, wax it every once in a while, it's sad when you get to those points and you hit on a white car a black spot, and it's not tar and it's not dirt, it's just the fact that it's chipped your paint away. It's sad. So that is number 4. Number 5, it's an easy one for me. It's the exhaust. So the exhaust on the stock car is shite. When you buy a sports hatch, you know, you look at other cars now. I'm going to mention some of them. You know, you've got the Volkswagen GTI. Let's say, I know this is slightly up the price range by a significant amount, but then you start looking at like the RSs or the Golf Rs, and all the other ones in between. The exhaust has a bit of something behind it, like whether it be a few burbles that come along with a car because of DSG, or it just has something there. Something that, you know, you put your foot down and you're like, yes, like that's what I want it to sound like. And the stock system just doesn't do that. It's awful. There's hardly a sound that comes out the back. It's just terrible. And the most sound you get is from your blooming Simposer at the front, which I haven't removed yet because it's not that big of a problem for me. I just think it's funny how the Simposer does more sound than the stock exhaust does. But anyway, so they are my 5 things that I don't particularly like about either the stock or modifying the Fiesta ST. So yeah, overall, I love the Fiesta ST. I love the sound of it now that I've got it slightly modified. I love the sound, well, I didn't love the sound, that's a lie. I love the feel of the Fiesta ST before I had it modified. It's just an all-around wicked package, and there's not really much you can hate about it other than little niche things that, for one, as I've proven, you can fix yourself if you go into the modified scene. So thank you for watching. Remember to follow my Instagram. I'm going to put it up that corner this time. I'm going to put it up that corner. So remember to follow that. Latest updates there. Hit that subscribe button down below. Remember to like and comment. It really helps me out, and it's cool to hear your comments and kind of what you want to see next. If there's anything you guys want me to do, you can DM me on Instagram if you want, anything like that. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.